Hello everyone, my name is Gopalji and I welcome you all on this channel. In this video, I am going to talk about multiplication with series of 9s. This is very important to learn so that our speed increases and we go confidently while writing any of the exams. Now I have taken 3 cases as you can see on the whiteboard, case 1, case 2 and case 3. In these 3 cases, what is common is all these numbers are series of 9s. All these numbers are series of 9s. Sometimes it is just 2 9s, that is 99. Then we have 3 times 9, we have 4 times 9, we also I have taken 5 times 9. And all these numbers have been multiplied with different numbers. And we can find the result of these things without using pen and paper in less than 5 seconds. And that is the power of speed maths. But before we start, please subscribe the channel. Now first, let us understand this case. The rule says whatever is the number given to us, that in this case it is 754, subtract 1 from the number. So I will write here 753, 1 less than the given number. And then on the right hand side, this answer has 2 sides actually, left and right. On the left hand side I have taken 754 minus 1. On the right hand side I will take the difference of each of these 3 digits from 9. For example, 9 minus 7 will be 2, 9 minus 5 will be 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, and that gives the answer. It is as simple as that. Okay, so if you have any difficulty, stay tuned and let's focus in question number 2. So the rule will be same, 5482 into 4 times 9. Now in case 1, what is common here is that the number of digits in the first is equal to number of 9s. 3 digits in the given number and 3 times 9. 4 digits in the given number and 4 times 9. So that has to be maintained, right, in the first case. So I'll follow the same method, 5482, I'll subtract 1 from 5482. The result is 5481. So that is the left hand side, left part of the answer. Now for the right hand side, each and every digit of this result will be subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 5 will be 4, 9 minus 4 will be 5, 9 minus 8 is 1 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Right? Very simple. You can follow and you can apply this to any of the questions when number of digits given in the number and number of 9s is equal. Now let us move to case number 2. In this case, as you can see, number of digits is 2, whereas number of 9s given to us is 3. So it is not same. But that can be very easily made equal to each other by writing a 0 before this. So just put a 0 before the number and then subtract 1 from this, put 0. So 0, 2, 3 becomes on the left hand side. And I take difference of each and every digit of the result. So 9 minus 0 gives me 9, 9 minus 2 gives me 7, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now you can remove the 0. If you don't put 0, what will be the effect? Please answer in the comment. Yes, I will reply. Now fourth question is again application of the case 2 when number of digits in the given number is less than number of 9s given to us. In this case, this is 3 times 3 digits, right? And this we have 5 times 9. So what we have to do? We have to put 2 zeros before it to make it equal, 5 and 5 equal to each other. And after that I will write the answer as 00737, 1 less than the given number. And after that take difference of each of the digits from 9. So 9 minus 0 will give me 9, 9 minus 0 again 9, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 3 gives us 6 and 9 minus 7 is 2. Now you can remove this 2 zeros to write the final answer. This is the final answer. In this case it was the final answer. Now let us come to case number 3. As you can see, number of digits in the given number is more than number of 9s, like it is 2843 into 999. In the next question it is 642 into 99. So what can be done? Should I place 1 0 before 9? We can place to make it equal, but that will not give the correct answer because what is the rule saying? Multiplication with series of 999. So if I write 1 0 before that, it will not remain series of 999. So in these particular cases, when number of 9 is less than number of digits given, we have to follow this this is 2843 into 999. It should be written as 2843, and this 999 I can very well write it as 1000 minus 1, right? 1000 minus 1, and then it becomes 2843 000 and then minus 2843, right? So 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1, and then you take the difference of this. So this becomes 7, and this is 5, this is 1, and this is 0, and then 4, 8 and 2. So this will be the final answer. Similarly, you can answer this question. You try this on your own and come with your answers. Now, what is the importance of Vedic maths and these type of questions? Do we get direct question like this, multiply this? No, not at all, not in any of the competitive exams. But the application of these numbers, like these type of multiplication, I tell you one example. A question can be like this. Let's say this marker has a price of, if I say, okay, 754 rupees is the price of this marker, right? And the price of this marker increases by 10% in 1 year, and it decreases by 10% in the next year, right? Try to understand the question. Price of marker is 754. It increases by 10% in first year, and it decreases by 10% in the second year. So what is the final price of the marker? You can calculate it by your own method. Finding 10%, that is 75.4. Subtract, increase it, so add it, then again take. But then what I will understand is this concept is nothing but, if you understand the concept of successive percentage change, so 10% change and then 10% increase, like 10% increase and 10% decrease, so that results in 1% decrease. How does it come? You please search it. This is concept of successive percentage change, right? So this eventually comes out to be 1% decrease. So that is first mental calculation. Okay, second, if I have to decrease a given number by 1%, now comes the role of multiplying factor. So 754 is the price of marker, and 1% it is decreasing. Now multiplying factor says that we just have to multiply 754 into 0.99. 1% decrease means multiply the given number by 0.99. Now this question becomes multiplication of any number with series of 99, right? Obviously, now यहाँ पे we all know that this question is very you can use this concept now. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 to answer this question. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, please press the like button and share it among your friends so that they all can also benefit from this. I will be coming up with many more such videos. Thank you so much.